you're in Missouri or Illinois, I'm not licensed in your state, but that's okay. Attorneys in your state are. Contact Cordell & Cordell to schedule an appointment with one of our firm's Pittsburgh area attorneys. Online at CordellCordell.com. Offices in Pittsburgh, Beaver, and Cranberry Township. The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Do you have 3 ex-wives in your current